G'day legends and welcome back to another surprise delivery unboxing from Carrera. What have they sent me this time? Well, I have had a sneaky peek, you won't be disappointed, but I have left one item sealed so we can unbox it together. So stick around and let's find out what has Carrera sent me this time. All right. Whew. So let's check out what Carrera has sent me today. I've got another box of goodies from them. It is a surprise unboxing. I have checked some of the items. I always do try and open up my boxes first. Unless I really know what's coming, I don't touch the box, but you just want to make sure that the items are in good condition before you show them. But one is definitely sealed, which I do want to open together. But let's kick off. These are cars, so I'll break the suspense. The box isn't big enough, as you can see in the photo, to be anything else but car or track pieces. It's all cars. So let's dive headfirst into it. Now, I've got my list of cars, or my stack of cars right here. I'm going to go with, not my least favorite, but a car that I want to show first because of the livery and how good it looks. And it is the BMW M4 GT3 shell livery. They are doing an incredible job. Of course, 132 scale. These cars that I'll be showing you are 132 in scale. And what I love about this is the latest BMW, as you can tell by the nostrils at the front. Good looking car. I know the nostrils or the grille did take a while to take off. I think some enthusiasts don't like it. I'm a big fan of it now. It looks really good. We will take a closer look because there's a lot of detail on this car that I want to point out. And it's digital. And I do have something interesting coming with the digital stuff that I'm receiving. Next up, let's go. Next up, we have another BMW. This one looks better than the catalog. I have spoken about this car before. It is the BMW M6 GT3 total livery. Really good looking car. Well done on the finish. The livery is incredible. Now in the catalog, these can look hit and miss. In real life, I'm a massive fan. I'm so glad they sent this car. Now again, none of these were chosen by me. These were all randomly selected by the social media team and Carrera, so thank you legends. I believe they are watching the show regularly because the next two cars will prove a point. Digital again, stay tuned. We are going to do something very exciting on the channel with digital. I'm a huge fan of digital. It's about time I get my butt into action. Next car is a car I've always wanted. Again, I haven't asked for these. Another digital car, it is the Ford Capri Zaxspeed Turbo in the Worth livery. Now, I'm in Austria. This livery or this brand is massive. Just around the corner from where I'm living right now is the Worth building. So I might jump down there and take a sneaky peek photo with the car. Love this. I wanted it for my collection for so long. I have mentioned it on the channel, so maybe they are watching, but this goes into my Ford Capri Zaxspeed collection. Digital again, really good looking car. We have seen this mold before. Good looking Worth livery. I believe a lot of people out there would have this car already, but it is digital. So stay tuned for what is coming up with some digital excitement very soon. But last but not least, this proves the point that they are definitely watching because yes, I am a Porsche fan. Most definitely am a Porsche fan. This is one of my favorites that I saw. It is the Porsche Crema 935 K3 Mambo livery. I love that blue. Take a look at that. Huge fan, as you know, of Porsche. I love the Carrera Porsches, as in the Carrera team themselves who make the cars. They do an exciting job when it comes to making these cars look as realistic as they can. I'm going to check out the back first because that looks really cool. We will take a closer look because there is some finer details. So if you do want to see a closer look, please stay tuned. But I did want to show you the unboxing first. But next up, let's have a look at this car that is still boxed. What is it? Take a guess now before I show you. It is right over there. I did not expect to get it, and it is a car that will be hard to find in the near future. So let's go check it out together. So here is the sealed car. Take your guess. Do you think you know what it is? Now, if you did take a look at the packaging box, the bigger one, it would have given away what this car was. But now let's unbox it together. I've got my trusty knife here. And let's see if I don't cut myself open on camera. All right, so we are opened up. I'm trying not to give it away. Oh. So let's get rid of the box. Let's see if we can have a look at it. And these are how these, if you haven't bought a Carrera car, this is how they come packaged. Very well done. So let's keep going. Now, the size of the box should already give a good giveaway of what size car is going to be in here. What do you think it is? Well, I'm going to take the paper away and try and see it through the camera at the same time as you guys. And there it is. Now, what is this? Let me have a quick look at it myself. This is the Lola T70 Mark III-B. This is the club car. Now, I did talk about this originally. If you are a club member, you could have purchased this. I believe at the time of recording, or receiving, I should say, there is still some available. Check out their website. Now, if you're not a club member, it is available now, but it is limited run. But what an awesome looking car. Now, this is my first Carrera club car in my collection, and I'm so happy it is in 1/24 scale. Yes, this is digital. I know it's got a black base, but the 1/24 scale cars are digital. Really good looking car. Take one more look at it. If you do want one, check out their website. There was a time period it was only available for club members. Then it went to anyone, but I'm not too sure how many are left. These are limited run, but really cool looking thing. Yes, this will go around the track. We will take a closer look, but the Lola T70 Mark III-B 2023 Carrera club car. So that's a wrap on my surprise delivery unboxing from Carrera. I can't believe I've received another box of goodies to unbox for you at home. I do want to say a massive thank you to Carrera. They are supporting the channel. We are only a small channel and a small niche hobby, but they are supporting us, which is really, really good news for the hobby, for YouTube, and for all of us in general, because of course, I wish I could buy all these items on my own. I don't like asking for stuff, but when a manufacturer jumps on board and says, hey, we'll send you some stuff to have some fun with, I really do appreciate that. Now, I do have a lot of digital cars now, so stay tuned. I've got two really awesome digital sets I want to review from Carrera, which is up and coming. We have a lot of stuff to do on the channel at the moment, but I will get around to that all. But I do want to focus on digital a lot this year, so stay tuned for some of the digital fun that we will be having in my lounge room. Yes, stay tuned for that. But as always, at THATSLOTCARGUYOZ from Instagram and YouTube, if this is the kind of content you like, please consider subscribing. It does help. I am trying to create as much content as I can for our hobby to get us up there in the YouTube world. But be safe, take care, support your local, support Carrera. Ciao.